nothing to me. Yeah, my penis is kind of small, but it's small enough.
Alright, come on.
It's recording.
You ain't saying nothing to me. Yeah, my penis is kind of small, but it's small enough to get inside and dent your pussy balls. My penis is kind of small. 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 My penis is kind of small.
Are you gonna eat your hand?
You just mad 'cause you came in the room and see me fucking your dad. Fucking your dad.
Why is your face gonna keep messed up? Yo, it looks like he's seeing a ghost though.
I seen that.
It's okay. Ladies, whoa! Listen, understand. I'll fuck anything. Yes, it's true. I fucked your moms, I fucked your dad, and now I'm out here fucking you. Bitch.
He's like, bitch.
Shut the fuck up before I punch you in the titty.
What did he say?
Shut the fuck up before I punch you in your titty.
He stuttered on that.
You're not a chick. You got a motherfucking dick. Motherfucker.
Wait, Jay, you got a motherfucking dick, motherfucker.
It's like Sheldon's laugh.
Oh, she roasted him.
Was cats kind of yelled out loud when I came with that one punchline. I said, when she called me a fag, I said, yeah, I'm a fag. Alright. I know, I said, yeah, it's alright. It's cool, I'm a fag. You just mad because you came in the room and saw me fucking your dad.
What a gay ass motherfucker.
Right? And then I said, yeah, it's true. I'll do anything for money. I said, no, I'm sorry. I said, yeah, it's cool. I'll do anything for money, that's true. I fucked your moms, I fucked your pops, and now I'm out here fucking you. So nobody was listening to what I was...
Her disses are better though.
Yeah, mine's a cokehead if she was being